machine. Please like and subscribe. Okay, let's go. I have a lot of coins now. We have saved up a lot of coins to go to the claw machine. And guys, this is a role play. Let's get a container to put our coins and our prizes inside. Okay, we have a lot of coins inside this box. We also have another box for like anything else. Let's go to that claw machine here. Okay, let's play the claw machine. We have coins and let's insert the coin. Let me get that blue one there. Yay, we got it! We got it! Okay. Okay, let's put the coin inside. Stop. We got a prize. Got a pink one and a blue one. Let's go another turn. And we're going to see what we get. Let's see if we get fidgets or anything else. I'm going to get the orange one. No! Let's continue. Grab the orange one. No! Okay, this is really hard. Our time is running out. Yay, got it. No, our time ran out. We have to pay another penny to get the prize. We got an orange prize. Okay, there's only 2 more, so we're gonna go to the other vending machine or claw machine. We picked up more coins, and this is the prize. Let's go to the other claw machine. Hopefully those inside are fidgets. Let's go. Okay, let's go walk into the other vending machine. Okay, we're here at the other vending machine. Wow. Guys, I just noticed this one, they have yellow balls in it. And this is different than the others. And hopefully we get something. Okay, do you want to go?
Yeah.
I'm going to go first and then you can. I'm trying to get the yellow one. Hopefully it's like a rare or something. No. Didn't get it. Hopefully you get it this time. Nope. Yay, got it. We got it. This yellow ball. Got the yellow ball. Okay, do you want to go?
Wait.
Okay, I'll go another turn. She's doing something, so I'm gonna go to another turn. That orange ball. At the end, we're gonna be doing an unboxing. Hard to get out. Okay, we got an orange ball. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 and we have a lot more coins, so we're gonna go in this one. I'm gonna try to get that yellow ball again, but that's in like the back, so... Oh wait, it's in the front now because I shaked it. ball. Should we go to another destination? This one only has a pink and a red one. I'm gonna shake it. We're gonna try to get the pink one. And yeah. So we're gonna go to get another coin. We have a lot more. This is 10 cents. So that means each of these got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 90 cents in total, if I'm not wrong. Because one of these are 10 cents. We're gonna try to get the pink one. No. No. Go. Yay. Got it. Got a pink one. Let's go to our next destination. Okay, we're gonna go to the bank first and get more coins because I feel like there's gonna be like a lot of balls. So we're going to be going to the bank and I'm gonna be getting my card. I got my card. Now let's go to the bank and get some more coins. We're gonna be right back. Okay, we're back. I already got the card and got some more coins, so I'm gonna put my card away. And let's go to the next vending machine or call machine. Okay, right, let's go. Okay, let's go. Go that way. Where's there? Oh wow, it's different ones. Yep, let's get the coin. And these are the prices. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 prices. There's a rule there. Okay, it's fine. Okay, let's put the thing in. Get that orange one. There's like a lot of more yellow balls, but like in different colors, so pink one and a blue one. This one. We got one. Okay, we're gonna be doing an unboxing at the end, and I'm gonna be doing this to it so I can get that one. And we have a lot more coins, so we're gonna be doing the coins. Yay. Did it. Got a pink one down. Okay, let's go on another turn. Let's get that. No! Let's get that blue one there. Or should we get the pink one? Let's do the blue one. Oh, we got it. Let's get it. Yay, we got it. Okay, we're done. Let's do an unboxing at the end. We're gonna go back home and do an unboxing. Let's go. Okay, guys.
Snack machine.
Okay, so we just went to the snack machine and we're going to be unboxing this. Go for no. Let's do this one. Wait. Okay, you get one. Okay, 3, 2. Wait, Mom, come here. 3, 2, 1, go. Got an Applejack. Oopsie. Got Applejack and we got. I don't know which one this is. Applejack and Fluttershy. They're two, both so cute. Okay, next orange one. Okay, I'll get the orange one. You can get 3, 2, 1. Oh, we got the pink one. That's so cute. Hopefully, oh, I got the clear one. Oh wait, let's see what I get. This one. Okay, it's that one. I'm gonna get this one. 3, 2, 1, go. Let me open it for you. And go. Oopsies. I think we got a duplicate. No, we got a duplicate. That's fine though. Okay, got that one. Yeah, this one. 3, 2, 1, go. Wait, I can't open this. There you go. Here. Cute. So cute. Cute. So I'm gonna get this one. 3, 2, 1, go. Got this. Oh, this one's nice. Oh, it's Rainbow Dash. Okay, so far we got like a lot. You wanna go more?
Yeah.
These are the ones that we got. Let's go more. She said we want to go more, so we're gonna go more. Yep. We're going to go to the snack machine, and we're gonna go to another vending machine now. And yeah, we'll be right back. Okay, guys, we're gonna be ending the video here. So bye.